So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Kumar Parv Moshi which is located near Woodsville ST Moshi Pune and developed by Kumar Life Spaces. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Kumar Parv Moshi will be constructed on 4 acres of land parcel consisting of 8 towers. Each tower will be having 2 basement plus ground plus podium plus 22 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा उनका सेल्स ऑफिस और इसी के बैक साइड में आपको मिल जाता है उनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर वुड्सविले ST आहिर मोशी पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है क्रोमा विद इन 1.5 किलोमीटर, डीमार्ट देहू विद इन 1.8 किलोमीटर and Moshi PMT bus stand within 2.7 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has luxurious amenities like swimming pool, kids play area, senior setup area, party lawn, jogging track, amphitheater and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Kumar Parv Moshi has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences in which 2 BHK is starting from 960 square feet and 3 BHK is starting from 1279 to 1329 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and will show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kumar Parv Moshi which is located near Woodsville ST Moshi Pune and developed by Kumar Life Spaces. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.